I don't know why it looks swollen. What? I just woke up an hour ago. I don't know. I didn't cry. What the heck? Anyways, today I'm gonna do unboxings. But this is from Amoretu. I reached out to them through Instagram because a friend of mine there recommended me this brand because I'm trying to look for summer dresses, you know, cute dresses and like bags and sandals and all that, but I still haven't found like a brand that can give me some stuff. But this brand luckily was like, yeah, sure, I'll send you a dress. But they made me choose between like 4 styles, and this is the one that I chose. I already opened it and I tried it on, but anyways, so it looks like this. Where's the front? This is confusing. Wait. Okay. Ta-da! There. It's a conservative modest dress. It's like covered up right here. It's not that low, but yeah, it is a little, and it looks very flowy and like pretty. It looks formal, but like summery a little, and it does come with a like waistband where you can tie it like right here, but that's for the back. Okay. You see, it looks this the same in the back. It's very flowy and it's not tight like you don't see your underwear, you know, or your kitty cat, but it does look professional, like if you go out at school or like a job. No, not like a job, but maybe if you're, I don't know, it just it doesn't look like you would wear this at the club, but actual like places, or maybe like to go out just on a date, or it's hot. So just, it looks like an old lady would wear this, to be honest. It doesn't really look like a young person would wear this, but I'll still wear it, you know. I don't care. So they had a bunch of other colors. I just chose this green one. I forgot the other colors. I forgot the price, but I think it was like $20 or $30. I'll put it here. So yeah. What else? Okay. So yeah, maybe I'll put a little try-on video here. I don't know, I'm not sure. Yeah, that's basically it. No, this is not a paid collab. It's just a gifted collab from them, and this is their website. Where's the website card? Hold up. Okay, I found it. This is their Instagram, their website, their email. Okay, and yeah. Yeah. Oh, wait. Okay, so yeah, that's pretty much it for this unboxing. Thank you so much, Amoretu, for sending me this. Okay, bye.